In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add PayPal account to Google Play Store. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Google Play Store on your device. And here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the payments and subscriptions. Now this will redirect you to the payments and subscription page. And here, go ahead and click on payment methods to be able to add your PayPal account to your Google Play Store. Now go ahead and click on add PayPal. To be able to add your PayPal account to your Google Play Store account, you'll need to enter the email address of your PayPal account in this area. And to be able to verify that that account that you've entered is yours, what you'll need to do is to head over to the PayPal app on your device and confirm that the account is yours. After that, your PayPal account will be connected to your Google Play Store account.